respected ministers, sir, official teachers, and my dear friends. Now I am going to talk about humanity. Humanity is the quality of kindness, mercy, and sympathy in human beings. It means caring for others and helping to needy people. We love to care plants and animals also. Every religion in the world tells us humanity. We must to help to each other. We can give food to someone who is hungry. We hear news of terrorist attacks and wars very often. We must preserve our human qualities. Many great humanitarians who live among us. We had Mahatma Gandhi, Mother Teresa, Nelson Mandela, Princess Diana, Swami Vivekananda, Rabindranath Tagore, Oscar, and Elizabeth Frey. Thank you.